Good evening. My name is Jade Adams Castro, and today I would like to share my knowledge or that I learned to IT 105, the information management concept and fundamental. So what is information system? An integrated set of components for collecting, storing, and processing data and for providing information. And what about the data? The data's informations are raw or the unorganized forms such as alphabet, number, or symbol that refers to or represent conditions, ideas, or objects. Data is limitless and present everywhere in the universe. Who create data? Of course, the creating data is individuals, business. What's the categories of data? Data can be categorized as either structured or unstructured data. Structure is type of structure are databases or spreadsheet. In the other hands, the unstructured is the form, image, audio, and movies. What is information? Organized from of a data and known as information definition. Data that have been processed so that they are meaningful. Data that have been processed for a purpose. Data that have been interpreted and understood by the recipients. So what is management? According to Himand, management has three different meanings. Management as a noun refers to a group or managers. Management as the process referred to the function of management and planning, organizing, directing, controlling, and etc. Management as a discipline referred to the subject of management. Management is an individual or a group of individuals that accept responsibilities to run or organize. Management bring together all six M's, and the M is men, women, money, machine, materials, and method and market. So what is information management? Information management is the application of management technologies to collect information, communicate it within the outside the organization and process into enable managers to make quicker and better decision. Why IM is important? Bakit nga ba importante ang AI? Ay AM. Managing information is important to an organization because it allows for increased knowledge, decrease inefficient, and better creation and implementation of action plan to address area of opportunities. Reasons are described in three categories. Managing your information save money. Managing your information makes your money. Managing your information keep you out of the trouble. So this is the five key components of IM. They are the people, culture, process, content, and technology. The key challenge in information management. In order to frame an effective information management policy, business need to consider the following key challenges. First is exploding digital universe. Second is increasing dependency on information. Third is changing value of information. So what's the benefit of information management? There are five. First is improve utilization, simplify management, simplified backup and recovery, maintaining compliance, lower total cost of ownership. And the information life circle rather. The information life circle is the change in the value of information over time. When the data is first created, it often has the highest value and is used frequency. The circle is set out by Jude Godman 1994 o siya pala yung nag-create ng life circle ng information management. So the next lesson that I learned to IT 105 is the entity relationship model. Business rule. They are the business rules statement that define or content comes aspect of the business, assert business structure, control or influence business behavior, expressed in terms familiar to an end users, automated through DBMS software. Ayan, ang dami pala ng business rule na natutunan ko sa entity relationship and model. So what is data model? A data model is an abstract model that organizes elements of data and standardize how they related to one another and to the properties of real-world entities. Business rules. Ano ba talaga yung mga business rules? State that define or content some aspect of the business. Asset business culture. Syempre, the control influence business behavior, and there's more. So what is entity relationship model? Widely accepted that adapted graphical tools for data modeling introduced by Peter Chen in 1976. Entity relationship diagram or ERD used to graphic representation of model database components. Entity is mapped to relationship table. There are three types or they are the parts of ER model constructors. They are the entities, attribute, and relationship. So what is entities? So entity, person or place, object, event, or concept about which data is collected. Entity instance is a single and unique entity or occurrence or instance often corresponds to a row in a table. So there are the different types of entities, the entity type, the entity names, and why should be prioritize the entities. An object that will be have many instances in the database. An object that will be composed of multiple attributes. An object that we are trying to model should not be considered the entities, a user of the database system, a output of the database system, and many more. And these are the symbols of Shen and Cruz foot symbols. Ayan. Okay, another is the definition of attribute. Attribute is a proper or characteristic of an entity or relationship types. And this is the different types of attributes. And what's the classification of attributes? Attributes. Identifiers or the primary key. The attributes are a combination of attributes that can identify a unique entity instance. Ayan. So what is relationship? There are types of relationship. First is the relationship instance, link between entities. Tapos, yung relationship types, category of relationship, link between any types. Ayan. Tapos, the cardinality of relationship, meron yan yung one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many. So, the degree of relationship is the main number of entities type that participate in it. And the composite entities like the also known as the associative entities or bridge entities, and there is the developing an ER diagram. Okay, next. That's the lesson that I learned to Ma'am Montero, the IT 105. And thank you for this time. And my name is Jade Adams Castro, and that will be all. Thank you.